Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS padding and margin. Let's start coding. Let me create a h1 tag. I love CSS and save it. Let me assign CSS for h1 tag. Background color gray, color white. I'm changing the color of the text. See, and then let me put a border left solid 3 pixel red and save it. We did sort of example one of our previous tutorials, but we will use padding in this example. Let me assign a padding and we'll talk about padding. Padding left 10 pixels. You see guys, that's the padding. If I assign any padding, it's going to create distance inside the box. For example, let me give another padding top 20 pixels and save it. You see guys, or let's say padding bottom, let's say 20 pixels, save it. You see, or let's say padding right, let's say 20 pixels and save it. You see, let's say 2 pixels. Like this. You can use separately like this, or you can use all of things in just one single line. Let me show it to you guys. Padding, you will just type the values. First value is X, it means top, let's say 20 pixels, and second value is right, it means padding right. Let me give 2 pixels as other example. And third value is Y, it means padding bottom 20 pixels, and the other option is left padding. Let me give the same value 10 pixels and let's save it. We see exactly the same thing. For example, let me change the 10 to let's say 20. It means I am changing padding left. And let me save it. You see guys, it pushed a little bit more. We will use padding in our examples later. Let's have a look at margins. Let me create another h tag. Let's say h2. I love web design and save it. Let me assign some basic style, background color green and color white and save it. You see guys, the distance between h1 and h2. If I want to put more distance, I just need to use margin. For example, in this example, I am going to use margin for h1. So h2, bottom of the h1. So I need to put margin bottom, let's say 30 pixels and save it. You see, it pushed the h2 down. Let's give the 50 pixels. It's pushed more. So that's the thing. For example, let me disable that one. And if I want to assign margin value for h2, I need to add margin top because h1 is top of the h2. Let's say 40 pixels and save it. You see guys, that's the same methodology. So we use the same methodology for margin as well. For example, we use padding like this. We can also use margin like padding. Let me give you an example. Margin, let's say 20 pixel top, the first one X, and second value is right, 20 pixel right, and third one is button, let's say 20 pixel from button, and the last one is 20 pixel from left. Let me save it. You see guys, it's just put 20 pixel distance around h2. We use like this in a single line, or we can use margin top, margin left, margin right, or margin bottom as well. That's all for now. By the way, let me know what you think about tutorial guys. I value your feedback. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.